My name is Sarah Schlichter. I'm a registered dietitian. I have a master's in public health, and I'm a mom of 3. I have been wanting to start this channel for a while. My goal is to help parents reduce stress in the kitchen. And we can do that in so many ways because let's face it, feeding kids is hard, it's stressful, it can take a lot of time, and there's some frustration when maybe they don't eat anything that you cooked. Nutritious options to feed your little ones. You ready? Or lunchbox comes back from school empty again, or you just plate a meal that you've spent so much time on in front of your kids and they just send it back and don't eat it at all. We're gonna tackle all of these topics. And if you want some answers in the meantime, you've gotta check out my podcast. It's called Managing Mealtime Madness. We go through all different scenarios and we talk to other experts in the field to help reduce the stress. But today we are going to talk about and share some easy breakfast options to feed your toddlers. Now these will work in all stages of life, whether you're doing baby-led weaning, there's adjustments and modifications we can make, toddlers, young kids. We're gonna share 3 easy recipes. Some aren't even recipes, but they are balanced nutritious options to feed your little ones. You ready? Check the comments for all of those recipes and make sure to like and subscribe to get updated when the next video comes out. See you next time.